Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Round Robin. Today we have a great two job opportunity in two different company and the both job are for software developer. I will discuss all eligibility criteria and selection process. Please watch this video till the end. So coming to the first job in Excelia. Excelia is hiring for engineer software developer and the job location is for Pune. So I will give you the basic overview. Excelia is a MNC company and for 40 years and it mainly deals with travel and transport industry and it gives software services to air transformation lab. IT provides technology solution for all air travel. So you have to knowledge of software development life cycle, so you are aware of the phases of software development life cycle and the testing, white box testing, black box testing, and you know what is waterfall model, then you are okay with this job. And you have also knowledge of relational database and they are looking for a qualification eligible is bachelor degree in IT or computer science or equivalent, and you have to also proficiency in engineering tool, software engineering tool. So this job is very good those who are looking for a career in software development. So everyone can apply, so they are not mention any experience, so fresher can also apply for this job. So apply as soon as possible because they are not mention any last date. So this type of job, those who are not mention any last date, so any of the day job will be expired. So apply as soon as possible and also share this video to with your friends those who are looking for a job in software development and in very good MNC company. So they are out, they this company is not also mentioned for salary package, so I should give you the basic idea. It should be 4 to 6 lakh because this is a fresher job, and maybe more than 6 lakh, but I just to give you idea, it between for somewhere 5 to 6 lakh. So apply as soon as possible. So coming to the second job in Simples. So Simples is also a very good company. It is also a MNC company over the 25 years, and Simples is mainly deals in a field of management consulting company. So the client of Simples are Fortune 500 bank over the globe, and in 500 bank they are mentioned, their two clients are JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley. So you already know these two bank and these two how big bank, so you have an idea how much this company is good. So their client, if their client is JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley, so this is a very good company. You just think. So in this job you have to give a test, and this test you have to give a test, and this test is held on TechGate platform. So this test is live and the last date of this test is 28th of March. So you have to give before 20th of March, and in this test we have to 17th question. In 17th question you have to two coding question and 15th MCQ question. If you have to clear this round, this written test, then you have to solve at least one coding question. So if you know coding, then you can apply for this job. If you don't know coding, then this job is not for you, because this is in this job they mention here the skills are core Java, advanced Java, data structure and database. So they are mainly looking for those who are good in coding, because this job is for associate junior software engineer, and in test they have asked two coding questions, so you have to must solve one. If you don't solve any of your coding question, you have to solve 15 MCQ correct, then there is a possibility, but if you solve one coding question, then there is maximum chance to get your selection. So this job is for fresher, they not mention any experience, so anyone apply, those who are in final year engineering student or final year MCA student. So and in job description you are working with Spring Boot, microservice and JavaScript database. So if you know these things, then it would be help for your job. So and you have to also understanding of OOPS. So if you know Java, then you can also know object oriented design and programming concept. And they are also mentioned, if you know Java and also Python, then you can also code in Python language. So in this test you have two language, first one Python and second one Java. So you can code any of language, either Python or Java, and you have also basic knowledge of decision. So and here he also mentioned a internship call. So those who are in third year who are also eligible for this test, and he get a internship call. So for third year student who can also give a test, and they will hired for internship. So they will not mention the duration of internship, but it should be 3 to 6 months. And for internship also same test and the skills are same. So yeah, so this test is for 2 hours 30 minutes, and you can switch any of question. There is no restriction to switching the question. You can solve either first coding or MCQ. So this is very good job. So please share this video with your friends, those who are looking for a job as a software developer in a very good company, and also share with your friends those who are looking for internship who are in third year. So internship is very good for any of engineering going student. So if you done internship from a good college or a good company or anywhere, so it would be help for your campus placement. So I will give you the link for this test or for this job, for both of jobs, in description. So from there you can apply easily, and this the last date of 20th March, so you can give before this. So yeah, thank you, all the best. Apply as soon as possible.